Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your channel Versatile for You. My name is SN Ali, and in this video we will discuss about artificial intelligence in detail. Actually, it was the presentation which I had presented in my university about artificial intelligence. So I want to share it with you because in this presentation we have covered all the topics of artificial intelligence in detail, and it is very interesting and informative for you. So I hope you will like it. So let's get started. These were the names of my group fellows. So let's start it. This is the agenda we will cover in this video: introduction, history, types, components, importance, uses, future, pros and cons, examples, and at last conclusion. So introduction of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is also called machine intelligence. As we know, we are humans, so our intelligence is real and natural, provided by God. In artificial intelligence, you can estimate by name. Artificial intelligence means its intelligence is artificial. So artificial intelligence is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like humans. Some of activities computers with artificial intelligence are designed for include speech recognition, learning, planning, etc. Artificial intelligence is an approach to make a computer, a robot, or a product to think how smart humans think, and finally this study outputs intelligent software system. The aim of AI is to improve computer functions which are related to human knowledge, for example reasoning, learning, and problem solving. So now we will discuss history of artificial intelligence. In 1943, artificial neural network was made, which is a computational model based on the structure and functions of biological neural networks. And in 1950, a Turing machine was introduced, which was a mathematical model of computation that defines an abstract machine. But properly, the AI is introduced in 1956. American computer scientist John McCarthy organized an conference at which the term artificial intelligence was first adopted. So researchers Alan Neville and Herbert Simon were instrumental in promoting AI as a field of computer science that could transfer the world. So it was properly introduced in 1956, and in 1966 the first chatbot introduced named as Eliza. In 1972, first robot of artificial intelligence was introduced named as Wetbot 1. From 1974 to 1980, the first AI winner, which means a period of reducing funding and interest in artificial intelligence research. And in 1980, expert system was introduced, and from 1987 to 1983, there was second AI winner. And in 1997, IBM Deep Blue was introduced, which was first computer who beat world champion in the chess. And in 2002, the Roomba was introduced, in which AI was first time used in home as floor cleaner. And Roomba features a set of sensors that enable it to navigate the floor area of home and clean it. In 2011, the IBM Watson was a machine, and it wins the quiz from humans. In 2012, AI was first used in Google. In 2014, another chatbot was introduced, and in 2015, Amazon Echo was introduced, in which Echo device connected to voice controller intelligence personal assistance service Alexa, which will respond when you say Alexa. So this is about the history of artificial intelligence. So now, what are the types of artificial intelligence? There are three types of artificial intelligence: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, also called weak AI, is a machine intelligence that is limited to specific or narrow area. Weak artificial intelligence simulate human cognition and benefits mankind by automatic time-consuming tasks and by analyzing data in ways that humans sometimes cannot. So, artificial general intelligence is the intelligence of machines that can understand and learn any intellectual tasks that a human being can. It is primary goal of some artificial intelligence research and a common topic in science fiction and future study. It is also called strong AI and artificial superintelligence. And it is that intelligence in which machines are more intelligent than human and can do more difficult tasks which even human cannot do. This type of AI is not now but probably expected in the future. So now discuss about some components of artificial intelligence. There are many components of AI, but the most important components are machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. And machine learning focus on development of computer programs that can access data and use it learn from themselves. And on the other hand, deep learning is a subset of machine learning in artificial intelligence that have networks capable of learning unsupervised from data and is unstructured and unable, also known as deep learning or deep neural network. Artificial intelligence don't comprises of just these two components. There are also many other components which are neural language processing, object detection and robotic, etc. And the programming language which is mostly used in AI is Python, which is simple and user friendly language. And now we will discuss the importance of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is subject of computer science aimed at building machines and computers that can enhance logical operations. Artificial intelligence systems have the ability to execute tasks naturally associated with human intelligence like speech recognition, decision making, visual perception and translating languages. Artificial intelligence is not just improving lives. In some cases it will save lives, from supporting smart infrastructure to helping to be more efficient with our natural resources and smart agriculture to feed a growing population. AI can augment our human efforts to solve our global challenges. So it is very important with respect to our future needs. So now we will discuss about the uses of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence enhance the speed, precision, effectiveness of human efforts. In financial institutions, AI technology can be used to identify which transactions are likely to be fraudulent, adopt fast and accurate credit scoring, as well as automate manually intense and data management tasks. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is used in school for modern study, in hospital for treatment, in transportation and in cars, in mobile phones and in many more things like face detection, etc. And it is also used in cloud computing, neural networks, Internet of Things, and it is used in many more things. So now we will discuss about the future of artificial intelligence. As we move closer toward beginning of technology driving society, artificial intelligence applications will fulfill the promise that computers would make our life easier. AI technology will help us will help our lives happier and healthier lives, while other helping us conserve time, energy and money. Artificial intelligence will entirely use in digital marketing, transportation, healthcare, science, defense purposes and personal assistance, predictions, etc. In future, approximately till 2030, the AI will be used in every aspect of life, and all the things which human cannot do can do with the given to machine and robots to do. So all the things which human can do will be given to machines and robots to do. So if you want to learn artificial intelligence, then subscribe this channel. We had just started AI now. And what is the career of artificial intelligence? First I tell you what is the career of artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence salary, approximately salary in US dollar, is 1,11,118 1,11,118 per dollar per year. So artificial intelligence has been a sound carrier choice for a while now because of growing adoption and technology across industry. And artificial intelligence creates close to 2.3 million jobs by 2020. So there is a good carrier of artificial intelligence. So if you want to learn AI, then subscribe this channel. We have just started AI. Now we are doing Python and then go toward machine learning, then NLP, and then so on towards advanced. Here you can see 6 lecture of Python have been successfully uploaded in our channel. So subscribe this, and so that you can know about our future videos about AI. So now we will discuss pros and cons of artificial intelligence. As we know, everything has advantages and disadvantages as well. So AI would have been low error rates. So first of all, we will discuss the pros of artificial intelligence. AI have been low error rate compared to human. If coded properly, they would have incredible perception, accuracy and speed. They would not be affected by hostile environment, thus able to complete dangerous tasks, explore in space, and endure problems that would injure or kill us. And when we're talking about disadvantages, so there are also some disadvantages of AI, which are high cost. Creation of artificial intelligence required huge cost as they are very complex machines. No replicating humans. Intelligence is behaved to be a gift of nature. No improvement with experience. No original creativity, and unemployment as the robots come in the place of humans. So there is unemployment, and the most important thing is that it is also fair that an AI overtook a hypothetical scenario in which artificial intelligence becomes the dominant form of intelligence on Earth, which computer or robots effectively taking the control of planet away from the human species. So it is also fair about it. So now discuss about some examples of AI. So speech recognition, problem solving, learning and planning, self-driving cars, and other many things are examples of AI. The most prominent example of artificial intelligence is used in Google as a eye doctor. It is also used in Google to convert speech into text, and it is used in Facebook as face detection and tag your friends. Artificial intelligence used in Twitter to detect hate speech and terrorist language and remove them automatically. And it is used in Google's for, and also can predict searches for you based on data you Google collects about you. We also can see when we search anything on YouTube, then it shows us relevant things too. It is also because of artificial intelligence. So at last, as a conclusion, artificial intelligence make it possible for machines to learn from experience, adjust for new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Most examples that you hear about today, from chess playing computers to self-driving car, rely heavily on deep learning and natural language processing, which is a part of AI. So as a conclusion, AI is very important field which is used in many fields, and in future it has large domain. Artificial intelligence has increased understanding of nature of intelligence and provide an impressive array of application in a wide range of areas. It has sharpened understanding of human reasoning and of nature of intelligence in general. So I hope you like our explanation. This is the video of artificial intelligence in which you can see two examples of artificial intelligence. You can also see in my channel there is video real life examples of artificial intelligence. So thank you very much for listening. Take care. Bye.